Earn as much as $16,000 a month with this online side hustle. If you visit the websites Pulling Curls and Pregnancy Nurse, you might not think much of them. These are likely websites that only interest mothers or soon-to-be mothers. However, when these two websites are combined, they generate a monthly income of $16,000. If you're similar to me, you might wonder how they manage to earn that amount of money. In this video, I'll explain precisely how they earn such a huge income and how you can do the same. Welcome to Profitability Plus, where we teach people how to earn untouched money on the internet. Want to hear more? Keep on watching. The side hustle is known as a content-based business, and what makes them a much preferred type of business is that they can be done for free. Let me show you how you can do this. The business makes use of content, which can take the form of a blog, a YouTube channel, TikTok videos, or a podcast, essentially any format that can attract an audience. In a content-based business, you need to build an audience because without one, the business cannot thrive. When the audience grows large enough, you can start monetizing your content. This can be done in 4 ways. The first one is through advertisements that you often find on blogs or news sites. There are also ads on YouTube, which is how YouTubers earn money. These ads generate revenues for these content-based businesses. The second way is through sponsorships. Have you ever been listening to your preferred podcast and abruptly heard the host mention that the current episode is sponsored by a company selling various products? The podcast is essentially offering their audience to advertisers in exchange for a fee. This type of arrangement is known as a sponsorship. The third method of monetizing a content-based business involves promoting other companies' products or services within its content. If the audience ends up purchasing these products or services through the content creator's referral, the business will receive a percentage of the sales. To provide an example, suppose you click on the link in my description for Webull and create an account while funding it with any amount of money. In that case, you will receive 12 free stocks, potentially worth up to $30,600. This means you get free money, while I, on the other hand, receive a free stock or two. This approach is referred to as affiliate marketing. The fourth approach to monetizing a content-based business involves developing and marketing their products or services to their audience. For instance, Graham Stephan established a coffee brand called Bankroll Coffee, while Emma Chamberlain created Chamberlain Coffee. So, basically, a content-based business depends on producing excellent content that draws and retains an audience. You just need to figure out and discover methods of making money from this audience. It's either through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, product sales, or a combination of these 4 methods. Let's examine how the websites mentioned at the start of the video generate $16,000 every month. Both sites include a blog section that generates a significant amount of traffic, with Pulling Curls receiving approximately 90,000 visitors each month, as reported by SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb also estimates the business's revenue to be between $2 million and $5 million. Also, some affiliate marketing is incorporated into the sites. On one of the mentioned websites, there's a blog post titled All Inclusive that talks about Disneyland vacation packages. Although it could be a sponsored post, it might also be a regular post that includes affiliate marketing. The post offers a lot of useful information, and if you follow its recommendations and use Getaway Today to book your trip, the business may receive a commission of about 20 to 30% on any sales. We all know that a trip to Disneyland can be expensive, but this is not the primary source of revenue for the business. The way in which the business generates income is through their courses, such as their online prenatal class for couples, which ranges in price from $79 to $197, a family routines course with multi-pricing options, and a course on home organization with various price points. As of mid-2022, the owner of Pulling Curls, Hillary Erickson, stated that the majority of the business's income is derived from course sales, accounting for 58% of the revenue, with 28% coming from ads and sponsored posts, and 14% from affiliate marketing. Now, how do you start a content-based business? The first step is to select a niche. This may seem daunting, but it's really important and a big deal to pick up a subject that you could discuss for 30 to 60 minutes immediately. People often make the mistake of selecting a topic that they're not truly interested in or don't know anything about just to earn money, which can eventually lead to problems down the line. When you research the most lucrative YouTube niches, insurance is one of the top topics. You might be tempted to create an insurance-themed YouTube channel because it pays $15 for every 1,000 views. And if you manage to get 1 million views, you could make $15,000 just from advertising revenue alone. Wheelie sponsorship and affiliate marketing offer additional income streams. Lack of passion for the topic can hinder initial success. Without genuine interest, creating content may feel like a chore, requiring significant effort before seeing returns. However, genuine enthusiasm for the subject can lead to enjoyable content creation, paving the way for potential six-figure earnings within the first year as you learn and refine your approach. After selecting your niche, you must choose the appropriate platform for content creation. But first, evaluate your abilities honestly. If you think you possess excellent writing skills, starting a blog may be a good idea. If you're a skilled conversationalist, podcasting may be the right choice. If you perform well on camera, consider YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Similarly, if you excel in editing, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram would also work well. Assess your abilities and select the platform that complements them. At some point, you may expand to various platforms, but initially, you could choose one and concentrate on it. After that, you'll need to attract an audience, which can be accomplished by producing only high-quality content. In order to do this, you must unleash your creativity. When generating content, it's normal to encounter creative blocks. Instead of copying others' content, use them as inspiration to add your own unique twist. Identify successful content in your niche, analyze what resonates with audiences, and infuse your individuality into your creations. Whether it's a YouTube channel on cryptocurrency or a blog podcast, studying successful creators can guide your content strategy without resorting to plagiarism. Once you've established an audience, you can begin generating income in various ways. One possible way is to use Google AdSense to monetize your blog or YouTube channel within a few months. However, this may not be the main source of your revenue, and other options such as affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or creating your own product or service, like Pulling Curls course, should be considered if you want to earn significant profits from a content-driven business. Don't do it just because you think it'll be easy money. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video of Profitability Plus, and have a great day. See you soon.